Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Polkadot, today we start with the bullish scenario. This is not my primary expectation, but for the last few times we always started with a bearish one. So let's take a look at this bullish scenario and let's talk about it. So in this bullish scenario, we assume that the low for Polkadot was already in here at the swing low at 644. From an Elliott Wave point of view, this was a wave 5 to the downside, completed, and we would then be already moving up in a wave 1, a first impulse to the upside, which would indicate that the trend direction has changed from the downside to the upside. So we have here a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside. Little problem that we have here on the Polkadot chart is that Polkadot retraced more than other cryptos. It retraced all the way down to the 88.7% fib level. Not necessarily a problem, but it shows the weakness in the chart. A lot of other cryptos retraced to the 78.6 or the 61.8% level only. But from here it did not make a lower low, and it is continuing currently to move a bit higher, which is good. But it needs to hold that swing low at $6.47 or $6.43. Might not have been super accurate here. $6.44 to maintain a bullish momentum. And then in a next move, and that is really crucial because of the weakness in the chart, I mean, it really needs to move above this $8.48 level, the wave 1. And then we can be more certain that we're heading into the direction of the wave 3. The wave 3 is quite far away. You can see here the Fibonacci extensions, but the target for the wave 3 is at least $10.29, the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. Next key resistance, and we already touched it, is here that swing high that you can see. So here, this is next key resistance. This was key support here. That is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $7.46. So expect further resistance here, but if we can move above that, that's a first good indication that we are going to move to 848. And then if we can break above that level, then we are heading into the direction of the wave 3. A move above the 848 level would make the bullish scenario much more likely. If it would make it the primary expectation, I'm not sure yet, but it would definitely make it more likely. Why is that the case? And for that explanation, we go to the bearish scenario, which is this one. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. And the bearish scenario, there's two basically. There's two possibilities that we have here. One possibility is that this here, all of this, was just a triangle, that wave 4 is complete. So zoom in a little bit. So that basically wave 3, the low, the absolute swing low that we had so far here at around 643, or 640, that this was the swing low of a wave 3. We then moved up in a wave 4. In this wave 4, this was an Elliott wave triangle, which in the end broke out to the downside. And that would assume we are now in this 5th wave down. Now, the lack of impulsive price action to the downside makes this at the moment less likely. I'm currently exploring another option. I'm currently exploring the option if all of this is a triangle. If this whole thing is an Elliott wave triangle and that wave 4 has not finished yet. So this is something we need to keep an eye on. Wave 4 might not have been finished. We might only have seen here a few subwaves of the wave 4, of the triangle. And indeed, the triangle needs to expand. So we need to keep an eye on that. We need to keep that on the radar, okay? Because what could really have been, let me just think, we could say, if we move that, if we tidy that up a little bit, because we're always looking for 3 waves as the subwaves, but it could be this A, B, C. Okay, that's not possible anymore. It would need to be, but this is possible. A, B, C, D, and that this is wave E at the moment. That we basically have not yet started wave 5, and we are still basically in a very long wave 4 here. That would peak at the wave E high, and afterwards then we would see a breakout to the downside of that Elliott Wave triangle that would then run down impulsively to the downside. Key support here will be around the $5.50 level. That is the 88.7% fib level. Ideally, we want not to move below that. What is best evidence that the wave E is finished? Well, best evidence would be if we break below the wave D low here at 650. And then we're pretty much anyway at the major swing low. So we haven't really made much higher lows here. They're all very close together. So as soon as we make it below the wave D low, I believe we're already heading further down here. And that is currently my view of Polkadot. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.